Good day everyone. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to convert any PowerPoint file to PDF. It is a very simple and straightforward process, and let's go ahead and do that. So for an example, I have opened this PPT file and I'll convert this PPT file to PDF. So I'll just click on File menu, and from here we have New, Open, Info, Save and Save As. So here you just need to click on Save As instead of Save and select the destination where you want to save it. I want to save it in my PC desktop, so I'll select the desktop, and from here I can give a name. So for an example, I'll just type test and save as type. This is a very important part. From here you can save it to PDF or any other version which you want. I can see I have this PDF option here, so I'll just select PDF and I'll just click on save. Now the moment I do it, I can see the PDF file is open. I'll just go to my desktop just to check if I have that PDF or not. So I'll just hit on here, so I can see the test file is here, and I'll just try to open it. And here we go. So we have successfully converted PPT PowerPoint to PDF file. I hope you have enjoyed this very short video. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.